I'm going to show you my secret on how I pump out 1 to 3 videos a day. I prefer Descript. Descript is only a PC-based program. So we're going to start by going up here to New and click on Video Project. The next thing that we need to do is grab our video and just drag it in. Boom. I'm going to ask you to transcribe it. Just hit done. You don't need to worry about anything here. You see right up here, it's working. It is transcribing the video. Descript is really cool. It takes the video you just dragged in and it transcribes it and shows you the text and shows you the video part. And you can edit either or. So when you edit the text and take out a word or delete a part, it edits the video for you. It is so cool. And because all the videos that I make are talking head videos where I'm speaking and talking about stuff, it makes it so much easier to edit. If I mess up, I just say it twice and then I delete the first sentence where I messed up. It is so cool. You will deeply understand the power of Descript here in just a moment. Okay, it's transcribed. You can see the entire video is 58 seconds. I'm going to show the timeline and slide this up a little bit so you can see how everything works together. See how when I hit spacebar,
Just do it. Just make videos over and over again.
it plays the video. And as you see the timeline sliding, you see the cursor moving. Oh, this is the best part. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come here to the beginning and I'm just going to chop off that beginning. There's some dead space there. And you do not want dead space in the beginning of your video. It's too much of a millennial pause. So let's click the timeline, hover over the slider, click it, and drag it right there. It'll automatically click for you. Now watch what happens.
Just make videos.
All right, so I'm going to take out the just because I think it's extra. So I'm just going to hit delete and it's going to automatically edit the video for me. Make videos. Just do it. Just make videos over and over again. Cool. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the end. See all this dead space here at the end? I'm just going to hit backspace. It's chopped off. Look how it ends. So we now have the beginning and the end solved. A lot of us use ands and ums. Descript is really good at eliminating those for us. I go up here to actions and I remove filler words and it will automatically find all the filler words in your content. I've been making videos for like 4 years now. I've done a pretty good job of eliminating ands and ums and likes and you knows from my speech. So there aren't any in this video, but if there are, they'll pop up right here and you can hit delete and remove all of them. Another thing that I'd like to do is go up to actions and shorten word gaps. A lot of times we will have word gaps in our speech. We'll pause. Sometimes pausing is good, but other times we don't want that. So you can see it shows all of the word gaps here that are greater than 1 second, and I want to shorten to 0.7 seconds. I'm gonna hit shorten all, and it will just go ahead and shorten my word gaps for me. Now the entire video is pretty much edited. Let's watch it through to see what we can take out and what's redundant, because what we don't want to do is waste the viewer's time. What I've noticed is talked. I say talk, not talked. It transcribed it wrong, so I'm gonna hit correct, change it to talk, and hit enter. You'll see why that's important in a minute. In fact, let me just show you now. I'm gonna hit Control A and select everything. Go up to T for text and click on captions. What this is going to do is it's going to automatically apply captions to the video. I love this feature about Descript. It's probably my favorite thing. So I'm going to adjust the captions. I usually like them at about 100 text size. I definitely like a shadow on there. And when it comes to the style, I like a border, no background. I like it simple. So here's what it looks like with captions on.
Make videos. Just do it. Just make videos.
I like to put the captions on before I watch everything through. That way I can catch any mistakes in the captions. Another thing that we need to do is add a title up here or the hook. Here's what I believe to be true when it comes to content. You can read faster than you can listen. So our job as short form creators is to grab the attention, give them something to read, either 1 or 2 things while they're listening to what I'm saying. So they're getting 3 data points and they're sorting it out and creating a question in their mind, right? That they want an answer to. That's how hooks work. You want the viewer to want to watch. Why should someone watch this video? Why should they even care? Well, they're probably suffering right now. They're probably a business owner that is having trouble with rising customer acquisition costs. They're probably don't have good ads to run. They're probably not converting super well. They're probably afraid to make content. They're probably having a hard time getting attention for their brand. So let's play on that. Let's go up here and create a title. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in content is the answer to all of your problems. Now you see the text is really big and really weird looking. That's okay. We'll go over here and we'll just slide it down to like maybe 130. And then we'll click off the screen, click on it again, and that will allow us to resize it. And we're going to resize it just like that. It's a little big because I want it right above my head. like right here. So I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller so it's on 2 lines, just like that. And then we're going to go here and click the plus for a border. And you can dial that up and down as you see fit. I like it at 10. That's just my style. You can also change the fill of the title too, like if you want it to be different looking. Sometimes I do that. Sometimes I choose this color because it's just different. But I also like a shadow. I think the shadow really makes it pop off the screen. And this green is like, I don't know, just kind of a strange green that you don't really see very often. So I'm going to try it. Why not? Who cares? We're experimenting with stuff. Now, there is a safe zone when making content, and it's right here. This right here, the description is taken up, this covering this area. And on the right-hand side, you have all the like, follow, profile button, comment, share. So this area is off limits right here. And then up here is covered by the live and these before you page and stuff like that, as well as some iPhones are shorter and smaller. So really the only safe area on the screen is right here. And that's where you want everything to be, in the safe zone. So that's why I put my title right up here at the bottom of the top third. I like my eyes just below it, and I like the captions on my chest so that if this becomes square, all of it can work. I'm just thinking ahead. So we have the title. Content is the answer to all of your problems. You know, that's an interesting hook. Do I deliver on that? I do. Okay, we have to make sure we deliver on the hook. The problem is this title showing up through the whole video, and that's kind of annoying. So when do I want this title to go away? Let's watch it. I think you'll know when to.
Make videos. Just do it. Just make videos over and over again. You'll get better at it as you get reps in.
Right here. So I'm going to hit enter, bring it down a line, and then I'm going to hit the // button. Look what that did. It created another picture right here. What is that? That is a new scene. So what we can do now is we can select this scene. We can go here and delete the title. If we go back to the first scene, you'll see it's there. So that is how you add in transitions, effects, all kinds of cool stuff. Different types of text, different types of titles, different types of B-roll. If I wanted B-roll in for "you're gonna suck in the beginning just like I sucked," I would hit the enter button, bring it down to organize it, hit the / button, and now I have this whole scene here. I can take another piece of content like this one, and I can just drag it on top. Watch what happens. Yes, exactly. I can mute it.
Reps. You're gonna suck in just I sucked.
See that? Okay, watch.
You get reps in. You're gonna suck in the beginning, just like I sucked in the beginning. But eventually you'll get good.
See that? It's B-roll, baby. That's how you add in B-roll. Anyways, I'm not gonna do that. We don't need to. This is gonna be a much simpler video. The last thing I wanna do is click on the video, come over here and hit Studio Sound. Studio Sound is probably my favorite thing about Descript. What it does is it uses AI to enhance your audio. It quiets down the background noise and really makes you sound crisp and clear, buttery smooth. FM radio DJ voice. I love it. It makes my audio sound so good. Listen to the difference.
Well, customers or clients, whatever the case may be, but you have to make videos.
But it actually doesn't sound that great.
Right.
Actually, in this case, because I'm using my headphones to record and not a mic without noise canceling, it actually doesn't sound that good. So I'm not going to use Studio Sound on this. But in the event that you do want to use it because you've got a background noise, you can toggle this up and down, slide it up and down, and choose how much AI noise canceling you want. This is seriously slept on, and it is a huge deal. Audio is way more important than the visuals of a video. We will watch videos that have shitty visuals, but we won't watch videos that have shitty audio. Remember that. Audio is the most important.
Just make videos over and over again. You'll get better at it as you get reps in.
Yeah, I think we're going to cut the beginning. It's just a waste of time for the viewer.
Just make videos over and over again. That person. It's free.
Cool. I'm done. So I'm going to go up here to publish. I'm going to go click on export. We're going to make sure video is selected. Turn off the metadata so we share less info with people and companies. Everything's looking good. We're going to go ahead and hit export. Just make videos. Edited. And it's going to go right into this folder right here. And then once it's in this folder, I will put it into Slack so that I can share it with myself and get it onto my cell phone. And then I will be able to get it in my camera roll, and then I can upload it to TikTok and Instagram. I'm going to upload it directly to YouTube Shorts from my PC. Works that way. You can also upload it to TikTok and Instagram that way. I like to use my phone and type the captions out, and just my style. That's what I like to do. Other than that, you're done. That's how I edit my short form videos. I think that you should get good at this and understand it before you hire an editor to do something like this. With the tools out there nowadays, you don't need to pay somebody who's an expert at Premiere and DaVinci or Final Cut Pro. You can just simply use Descript and You can make yourself just short and sweet, concise, to the point. This is how I get reps in. I've made over 1,000 videos like this. 1,000. So please don't compare your chapter 10 to my chapter 10,000. You know what I'm saying? You can get really good at this, but it all starts by fundamentally understanding the workflow and how it works. And I really hope this helps. We talk about this kind of stuff inside my membership. It's a bunch of people like us hanging out, meeting every week. We're just trying to grow and become better business owners together as a team, as a group. We hold each other accountable and we show up for each other, and I show up for them. And I think it's a really special place. That's why I'm telling you about it. Because if you're watching this video and you're getting on this content train because you want your business to thrive, then that is the place to be. Thanks for watching. Be good to future you.